Less than 1 month after Assistant Attorney General Jonathan Kwan was sworn in to serve as a judge advocate in the Guam Army National Guard in 2011, public law was enacted prohibiting attorneys in the Department of Law to engage in the practice of law outside of the agency. Kwan's situation prompted an ethics investigation by the Guam Bar Association. Although Attorney Mitch Thompson is the chairperson of the Guam Bar Ethics Committee, he testified during this morning's hearing in his personal capacity.
I think that the proposed change to Section 3113 is necessary, and I'm glad that the legislature is taking it up.
Bill 253 would remove the prohibition. It is an amendment Private Attorney Michael Pangilinan, who is Kwan's close friend and relative, says is needed, but recommended a possible amendment to make the prohibition retroactive.
The fact that there is a law on the books that could possibly be used as a basis to punish a person like John, who has done and continues to do so much to protect and serve our community, cries out for prompt action.
Graham Botha is not only a government attorney, but also a colonel in the Guam Air National Guard. He supervises Captain Kwan as well as Major Vern Perez, a judge in the Superior Court. He testified in support of Bill 253, adding the military already has guidelines in place regarding potential conflicts.
We have ethic rules that we're required to follow, both as a JAG and as a member of the Guam Bar, and as such, we ensure that there aren't conflicts, and if there are, we take steps necessary to wall off those attorneys, as would any law firm, to make sure that there aren't any conflicts, potential or otherwise, that would impact their obligations to do that.
Attorney General Leonardo Rapadas saw this coming. Matter of fact, in July of last year, his office issued an opinion regarding the law being unenforceable and inorganic. Today, he stood in support of changing the law, but recommended an amendment.
I feel the better result would be to go back to the prior statute, where barring a conflict of interest, barring a disruption of the mission of the office, and having the express written authorization of the Attorney General, an employee of the Attorney General's office, any employee, staff, investigators, or lawyers may engage in outside work.
As reported, Assistant AG Kwan said that if push came to shove and he was forced to choose, he would choose service to his country and island. You can read Bill 253 on GuamLegislature.com.